Hello.
Hello. Am I visible and audible to you, ma'am?
Yes, I you're visible.
Okay, so very good
Yes,
afternoon, ma'am.
also. Yeah. Very good afternoon, sir. What happened? That recording stop?
No. Still, it's okay. Recording is going on.
Okay. Now it's showing because some for sometimes it disappeared. That's why I ask.
Okay, first of all, I just want to tell you that we had a fear of this application now today because it was supposed to be stopped today.
Not today. I think 5 May.
5 May. Okay. So what you want to do with this application, you have to do the fast, right? You need to more conversation with the people. If you want to collaborate with any other people, so we have only 5 days, isn't it?
Yeah, actually, but I'm not doing that much because I have already a lot of pending video. And it's
Okay.
been 2 months only I'm using this application. So when I started using, I started talking with many people in a day. So that's why I'm not interested to talk with so many people nowadays because
Okay,
at
so
least
it is seems that
video I
it
have,
is seems that
yeah,
yeah,
pending.
from the
Yeah.
looks of it that you are very confident with this language because you did so many session and you had already uh, I think you might have a session with many YouTuber, right?
Yeah. I think 70 conversation I have done till now.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so you did a great job. So I'm totally appreciate with your work because it is very uncomfortable to complete this type of session, no? Because you are newly here and you have started your journey. It has
Two
already
and
been
two.
2 months. Okay, it's okay. You are doing a great job, ma'am. So how have you been up to so far?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And after using this application, I'm feeling so much confident and comfortable to talk with people in front of camera. Because before, when I learned English, at that time I never talk on this kind of video conversation. So now I'm getting a lot of knowledge and experience, and I'm learning so many things from co-learners. So this is
Hmm.
really nice journey for me.
I
So
have
how
never
long have
been
you?
comfortable. I have never been comfortable with my word, with my vocabulary, with my accent, with my pronunciation, and in front of the anyone. So yeah, so it was a chance to start somewhere, but things that make me a comfortable impact with me right now because I did a so many session because I have already completed in several type of session. Yeah. Okay, you are telling me something, so go ahead.
Nothing. I was just asking you, like, it's been how long you are using this application for video conversation?
Actually, ma'am, when I have started my journey, at that moment, I didn't use this application, but yeah, I'm not consistent. As you said that there is nothing compared to you because you are using this application is very consistency. But yes, I'm not consistent that much because prior I used to upload the videos and weekly twice and thrice like that. But it is very hard and uncomfortable for me to converse to the people and make a videos for my YouTube channel. But yes, monthly one and twice videos I am uploading. Yeah, for my practice and if I can able to continue with my practice because if you will break the consistency, so there is many chances you will lost your interest to enhance your communication skills, right? So yes, so I have been using this application since 6 months like that. Yeah.
Okay, nice. But you are not consistent, right?
No. If you will watch my videos and if you will visit my YouTube channel, then you can confirm with my YouTube channel that I'm not that much consistency. Yeah.
Okay, after this session, send me your YouTube link.
Oh, of course, why not? Because yes, I'm always eager to know about yourself. But yes, I know about you a little bit because I have seen somewhere on YouTube. Maybe you are conducting the session with other YouTuber like that. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
So I would like to know something from your side, very brief mode. So would you like to say?
oh, okay. Sorry, sir. I think like we started talking in the beginning, so we like forget to introduce
No,
ourselves,
it's okay.
right?
It's okay. It's okay because that was the part when I have started. So that was the part because this is the night start. We have already started a nice compliment. So yes, you can start now. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So my name is Muleshwari, and I'm from Chhattisgarh state. I completed my study, and if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are singing, dancing, painting, and I like to learn new things. And it's
Mhm.
been 2 months. I'm uploading some conversation videos on my YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Okay, I have a question. So I don't know the sound will be appropriate or not because you are practicing English and you would like to create your own channel. So why the people watch your videos? Because there are multiple speaker, no, and a great speaker. They are watching viewers always. They are actually apple to eye of the viewers, no. So what is the strategy and what is the strength? Do you feel that people will watch your videos?
Actually, I don't have much experience about YouTube journey. But
Okay.
yeah, nowadays people are watching, but not much. But yeah, it's compared to other like small YouTuber like me. I see some they are watching little bit, not very much. Like at least only 100, 200 some videos view I can get after
Okay.
some days. So but it's not like, but I think like if I will make on daily basis and if I will come up with some kind of different topic, then people will love to watch, because nowadays conversation videos everyone is making, so many people get bored also watching this kind of videos. I
Yeah,
think so
sounds
we should
great.
change. Yeah, we should change our topic and the way we are making it. I think we should add something different.
Yes, of course. Those are practicing since a long time, and they are becoming a good speaker, and maybe they are fluent speaker. Always people are appreciate with their journey, but new people always new because today I lifted someone with my newfound and enthusiasm. So people are really enthusiasm to watch the new kinds of videos now. So we are newly here. So definitely it is very uncomfortable to have a way to see the difference because I was always afraid, and actually I am also intimidating me a lot. Sometimes I'm afraid that why people watch some kinds of videos because yes. So your your strength is great, no, because every fluent speaker was once a beginner. So when they have started their journey, they never expect from the people that they will watch your videos. So in a day, people will get to know about yourself. You will be become a great speaker, no. Yeah. Okay, so
Yeah,
ma'am,
I hope.
if you have any judgment or any inquiries, you can shoot out with the hair down.
Okay, I just want to know about your journey, like a journey, which kind of problem you face, and like it's been 6 months you are learning, so like how you're feeling right now.
Actually, ma'am, if I will share with you about my education credential, so I have completed my 10th class standard, and after completed 10th class, I quit everything related to my studies, no, and I never actually I had no experience about this language. Yes, of course, and by profession I am a driver. So I was practicing English with my passenger and with my foreign passenger. So I just want to funny with them, and I wanted to learn this language because I need to communicate with the foreign passenger. So that was the first that was the time I practiced a lot. And when I watch some kinds of videos, some conversation videos, so I was thinking that yes, this is the right path. If I will try to make communicate with the other people, so definitely it gonna helpful for my journey. So initial day I was facing a lot of difficulties with my pronunciation, with my vocabulary, with my accent, and with my confidence also, because I had no confidence level, no. So yes, nowadays I am very comfortable with my journey, with my English communication skills. And if you will sit in front of, and doesn't matter that who is the in front of my other side, no. So yes, I can easily communicate with them. So this is one of the great thing that I have gained a lot of confidence. and my confidence level is great now. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So you are getting foreigner people. So where you are working? From which state you are?
I'm from West Bengal, so I live in Kolkata.
Okay, nice. You are getting chance to talk with them also, right? Foreigner with foreigner.
Yes, of course, because I'm not educated as well, so I never ever open a single page of book. I never read anything. So definitely, this is my one of the opportunity. If I will get any leisure time, if I will get any opportunity to talk with the foreign passengers, so definitely I would like to talk with them. No, even I try to use their own accent in American and British and Germany and sometimes Switzerland. Yes, so they are very amicable people, no, so if you want to learn anything, so easily they can teach to you. And entire my journey, I need to search those people who is very funny and try to sit next to me, and try to speak with him entire my journey. And you will be very curious that if I want to know something from their country and their cuisine, their culture, so definitely it gonna help to your rims your vocabulary. You can gain some knowledge from the vocabularies now and different type of countries. So yes, this is one of my strength for my speaking and for my learn something. Yes.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, you are doing great, and you are getting chance to talk with them, and you're enjoying your journey, talking with them, funny way. You are learning so many things from
Yes.
them.
Yeah, ma'am.
Maybe they
Thank you.
also feel very happy when you talk English with them, right?
Yes, of course, they are very happy, but they know actually, the foreign passenger on foreign people, they knows better that Indian people, they knows better English. No, all the Indian they can try to communicate with them in English, so they don't have any idea that you are educated or not, because sometime you need to pick up some passenger. So yes, sometimes they are curious that how did you learn this language? Yeah, because yes, there are multiple driver and they can communicate with them, but not the coherent way, not the articulate way. No, so if you can guide to them in a very proper way, so they will be very appreciative with you and they will be very friendly with you. No, so yes, always if they will come to in our country in next time, so they always prefer to take you to if they want to visit anywhere, if they want to go somewhere, so definitely they will call you. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So,
Yeah.
like, you're doing driving only, or you are guiding them also to show some places and explain about that place, like that?
No, actually, I don't have any time for guide them, because this is the individual job. Because driver cannot guide anyone to visit their purpose.
Yeah,
Because if you will reach to your destination, then definitely you will feeling that I'm drowsy, I need to sound sleep, you need to take a nap, single nap, like that. So you will not get any time uh, to guide them. But sometime if I will get any new place, and if you will explore a new place, so definitely uh, I just want to explore myself in new places, and I just want to see the sightseeing. And if you will get any peninsular area and mountain area, so then definitely I need to spend some time with those areas. No, but this is the separate job, because guide those are guide the people, so they are really they are separated from us. Yeah.
yeah, I can understand. Okay, I have watched some video, like some guides. You know, one boy, he never went to school too, and he learned so many languages, not only English, like some
Okay.
French, Russian, and like while
Some
like
slangs.
guiding them only. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
They and he was fluent too in that language, because I think like like how we learn our mother tongue by listening only, and we get surround like environment in our family, and we see how they are talking, then we also imitate them and we start talking after looking them. So
Mm,
that's how the guide also learned many languages, like while watching
yeah.
them and guiding them. They when they ask about something in their language, then they understand, yeah, definitely he's asking about me. Then they get those vocabulary or sentence. That's how they learn,
Mm,
right? That
mm.
boy is very so many languages he learned while
Yeah,
guiding.
it's only shadowing technique
Yes,
and intimate. So imitating them, I think that because India, we have a lot of language, right? So we have regional dialect. If you go somewhere, so then definitely they have separate languages and they have regional dialect, I think. So now my mother tongue is Bengali, so there are no any Hindi. So if now the little child, young child, they are 13 years old and 11 years old, they are very. If you will ask them any type of question in Hindi, they are ready to answer to you with Hindi language. So why did they learn this type of Hindi language? Only watching movies, watching cartoons, watching any funny videos. They have already learned the Hindi language. Same as it is happened with the tourism area, because they want to obtain some money with their profession. No, so they have to very prolific with this profession, right? So
yes.
if they know, actually if they know some English language, so then definitely they can easily communicate with the people. So their purpose only obtain the money, or obtain some money from the foreign passenger. They will get trips like that. So that's why they are practicing some time. Yeah.
Okay, nice. And I think we should end this session. It's already
Yeah.
16. And
Okay.
it
Thank you.
was really nice conversation with you. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
connecting with me.
Thank you. Thank you. It was nice talking to you, ma'am. So if you will get time, next time we will meet again.
Yeah,
Still then, stay blessed. Thank you.
yeah, same here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye
Thank you.
bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.